Hi friends, this video for class 12 economics, and we are discussing what the syllabus actually wants you to know under money and banking part. So first thing you have to know under this is money. Okay, that is money. You have to know the meaning, functions of money and supply of money. So I'm just putting three words: meaning, functions and supply. So money supply, what are the functions of money? Some of it is like you have already done, but here it's going to get repeated. And what do they expect you to know? You are supposed to know, what are the kinds of money, what is the meaning of money, what are the functions of money, and under functions, primary, secondary and contingent. This you need to know. And second part you have to know is supply of money. Okay, only the meaning of it. And there are certain terms which you will come across, which is like m0, m1, m2, m3, m4. Okay, another part which is important here under this is inflation. Okay, inflation, this you have to study. Inflation is like sustained price rises, consistent price rise is inflation. You have to know the meaning of inflation, and also you have to know two things: demand pull and cost push. Demand pull and cost push inflation. So these are you have to know, and diagrams not required, you just need to have the concepts. Second part which you are going to study under this part of syllabus is banks. You have to study banks already done earlier, but here we are going to come back to it. We have to know functions of commercial bank. Okay, you have to know the functions. A term which is here and of interest is high powered money. Okay, you have to know what is high powered money. Let's also look at what else you are going to study here. You are going to study here credit creation by commercial banks. Okay, credit, how credit is created. Now you'll say credit creation, this we have to study here by credit creation by central banks. Also the next point is central bank and its functions. Central bank and its functions. All right, so if I go into the detail, the IC syllabus mentions that you have to know, you need to have an understanding of the functions of commercial banks. Okay, you have to know how credit is created. Okay, you have to know the process with limitation. You also need to know the role, regulatory role of central bank. You have to know its function and the way a central bank controls the flow of credit. This you have to know. Okay, very vital. And you also need to just touch upon, maybe it's just it says that a brief mention may be made of quantitative CRR. So again these terms are coming back to you, that is CRR, you have to know this. You have to know what is SLR. Okay, liquidity ratio, cash reserve ratio. You have to know bank rate policy. Bank rate policy. Okay, bank rate policy, that is repo rate and reverse repo rate. This is all, don't you worry, it's not tough, it's very easy, you just have to know. And you have to know open market operations and qualitative methods. Okay, so I'll just mention this one more word for you: open market operations and qualitative methods. So this is all you have to, primarily you have to understand, the banks and also the central bank, if I put it this way. So let's just wind up. This is a very small part of syllabus, but interesting in a sense if you're interested in banking and if you want to study MBA further, and finance of course is going to be important. So we first thing, there are two things we are studying here. We are studying money and banking. So money, you have to know the meaning, functions, supply of money. You have to study inflation because it's directly related to money. And you have to know what is demand pull and cost push, inflation. Next point, the second point which we are studying under this part is banks And banks is very easy. You have to study commercial banks, you have to know the functions, and the new terms is, you know, high powered money, creation of credit. You have to know central bank. This is important. Any day, any part, whenever you study central bank is important because its functions are important for an economy. You have to know CRR, SLR, and bank rate policy, where, you know, in bank rate policy you have repo rate, what is a reverse repo rate, and then also you are studying open market operations and qualitative methods. So that all is, if we sum up, is part of this part of syllabus. So if you like, please share the video, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.